Hi there! Welcome to YGreyParrot, e-learning hub, the place to learn and discover the world. Today we are gonna learn about stethoscope. Do you wonder what is stethoscope? Then look at this picture. You can see this medical equipment whenever you meet doctors, isn't it? Even with medical professionals such as nurses, GPs, etc. Do you know why they have this? Stethoscope is used to measure heart sounds and lung sounds. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. I have a heart full-length video. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Make sure you go and check it out. Now let me tell you a little bit history of stethoscope. It's been invented by French doctor René Learning in 1816, who you can see in the slide. In those days, he was using his ear to listen human heartbeats. One day, a young lady visited his clinic. She felt so uncomfortable when Learning kept his ears in her chest to listen heart sounds. That day onwards, he was thinking for alternatives. The other day, while walking down the street, he was watching two young boys playing in the street with paper roll to transfer the sound from one ear to another. He immediately got an idea to invent stethoscope to transmit sound waves through paper and wood. In modern days, there are two types of stethoscope, acoustic stethoscope and electric stethoscope. Acoustic stethoscope will have bell and diaphragm, but electric stethoscope will have switch to select bell or diaphragm. Okay, let's look at what are all the parts of stethoscope. The one you are seeing here is an acoustic stethoscope. Top part has two ear tips to listen sound waves. The other part is called binaural, which is used to produce stereophonic effect. Then you can see rubber tube. The below part is bell and diaphragm. I'll show you some more information about bell and diaphragm. Bell versus diaphragm. Bell is used to listen lower frequency tones in heart and lungs. Diaphragm is used to listen higher frequency tones in heart and lungs. Most times doctors use diaphragm, if you notice. That's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. Do you find this video helpful? If so, please subscribe to my channel. Also like,